Hello. So it's still Saturday morning. I drank my coffee. It was very yummy. And now I want to try a new recipe. I don't know what's gotten into me today. Um, so I have the pan preheating. I had it on this one, but I'm going to move it to this one. So I kind of saw this online and I don't remember where exactly I saw it, so I can't give credit, but it was just basically that you use like 1 scoop of regular pancake mix and 1 scoop of like protein powder of your choice. So I guess they're all gonna vary anyway, but anyway, that's what I'm gonna try. So it's a pancake recipe that I've never tried before, so this could be really good or really bad. So I'm just using what I have on hand. I have Mrs. Butterworth's Complete pancake mix. So this is the one where you just add water. And usually I make this with like half a scoop or half a cup of the mix and like a little more than 1/4 a cup of water. So I'm kind of basing it on that. Again, I usually don't try new things like this. I like to have recipes that have directions. I'm very detailed. So I have no idea why I'm doing this. Okay, but here we go. So I'm using, I measured it out before I started. I'm using about, oh my gosh, now I already forgot. I think it's like 32 grams of the pancake mix. I'll put the recipe in the description. If it comes out good, I don't know. And then I'm using half a scoop of the protein powder that we saw earlier. I'm using this microphone. I hope it helps because the last one, the audio was really bad. So again, this is just the level 1 pumpkin spice latte. So I'm using half a scoop of each of those. And then it's already, like I said, the pancake mix is just add water. So I'm just going to add water. So I'm adding 1/4 a cup of water. And I usually do 1/4 a cup plus 2 tablespoons. But I'm going to mix it first because I don't know how this pumpkin spice latte is going to mix in with this. I don't know. We'll see. Well, it has a pretty color at least. I don't think y'all can see it. Okay, it's almost mixed. Almost. Just want to make sure there's no lumps, there's no dry powder left. I think that's the consistency it usually is when I make the pancakes. Not that I should be eating pancakes, so I'm trying to find a little bit healthier option. So if I did the math right, it's going to come out to about 175 calories for 2 pancakes, which is really good. Plus it has the protein. It's only half a scoop, so it has about what, like 13? Okay. Anyway, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a really pretty, it's a pretty pumpkin spice color. Okay, so I have been heating my pan probably a little too long because I was trying to get ready for this. I'm trying to decide if that's good. And I'm just going to spray it with the, I can't believe it's not butter, just to have some, I feel like this one always leaks. When I got it, I ordered it, they had like dropped it or something, so it's like bent. So now I have it all over my hands. Okay, I'm going to put a little extra because this is the first one and I had the pan on too long. Y'all, it's already like 12 o'clock and I haven't done anything except make a video. And I was going to watch a movie, but then I was uploading the video. And then by the time I was done like uploading and putting the description, I was like, I'm hungry now. So I'm going to watch the video after this. Okay, so I'm going to use a 1/4 cup. And let's see what happens. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Okay, so I usually cook these for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds on each side. So I'm just getting this mix ready for the next one, so I have it ready. Okay, so it's It's about what I usually make. Like I said, when I make those, I make the half batch so that it comes out to 2 pancakes. So that way it's like just enough for me and I'm not making extra. So this comes out to about 2 servings of a 1/4 cup, which is what I usually have. And it's going to be like, I don't know, like a 1/4 less calories and then plus the protein that you're adding. So I know it's still not the healthiest choice, but it's a better choice. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better best. So basically just always trying to improve your choices that you make. Obviously this is a better choice than going to a restaurant and ordering pancakes where they give you like usually a big stack. I guess you could order less. They give you a big stack and then you pour on like they put butter and then you might put more butter and then you put syrup. That's a lot of calories. So anyway, like I said, I'm trying to get back on track, exercising, eating healthier, and maybe this will help. Having to make videos for y'all and showing what I eat. It's going to make me not want to eat the things that I normally eat. I'm going to grab the honey real quick. I used to be a very big lover of maple syrup, or actually like just the regular pancake syrup, which is even worse. And I still like it on occasion, obviously, but like I said, I'm trying to make healthier choices. So I have been having honey when I have them. This is just one that I found that I like. I use this when I make the pumpkin protein muffins, which are really, really yummy. It has like honey and pumpkin puree and some spices. It has no flour, no sugar. So I'm going to set this for another 230 and I'm just going to flip it. I don't know if y'all can see that or if you want to see it. So you can see it's starting to get toasty on the bottom. It's getting those little bubbles that have popped on top. And I'm just going to flip it over. Okay, I'm not sure if it cooked too long or if it's already got the pumpkin color, so that's why it looks like a little well done. It did seem kind of a little more well done, so I might take it off a little bit before the 230 mark. But yeah, I don't know. What do y'all think? Is it gonna be good? I have no idea. So, what else can I say while we're waiting for that? What do y'all do on Saturday mornings? Do you get up and get active right away, or are you slow riser? You like to get up slow, have some coffee, or maybe you're not a coffee drinker? Let me know. I slept in this morning. Like I said, I was feeling really tired, so I slept until about, I don't know, 8:30. I think I didn't get out of bed till 9, but I was awake before that. And then got up, brushed my teeth, did my devotional, God time, read some scriptures, and then made my pumpkin spice coffee and made a video, which took like way longer than it would normally take just to make my coffee. I tried washing the top of my microwave and it looks even worse washed. So I just put a pretty towel there to cover it up because I don't know how else to get a good camera angle for this. Okay, so it's almost down to 30 seconds, which would have been 2 minutes, and it looked like it was going to be done. So I think I'm going to take it off at 30 seconds left. So it'd be 2:30 on the first side and 2 minutes on the second side. Yeah, it's looks pretty. Is that a word? Pretty? Okay, so we're gonna go with our next one. I wonder if I should turn this down like a tiny bit too. Maybe I'm gonna I have it on 5.5 on heat, so I turned it down to like 5.25. All right, so I'm gonna put this one. This one's a little bit smaller. I'm gonna see if I can get any more batter out. Just a tiny bit. All right, and then I'm gonna put it at 2 minutes and see how it does. Normally at this time, once I empty it, then I start doing the dishes, so I don't have to clean them up later. But I'm kind of tied to my tied to y'all with the microphone, so I'm not gonna do that right now. But again, I am a big watcher and a big fan of Dana K. White, A Slob Comes Clean. So go check out her channel. She has taught me to do the dishes. I used to hate doing the dishes, like ever since I can remember, like elementary school, when it would be my chore, and I hated to do the dishes. I don't know why, I hate doing them. And so obviously that carried over into adulthood, and I still hated doing them. And I think it was because, like she said, she calls it dishes math, and they just keep piling up and piling up. And then of course you're gonna hate it because it's gonna take you like an hour to do the dishes. So that's her, one of the things she learned as she was trying to get out of her clutter mess, her slob mess as she calls it, is do the dishes every day before you go to bed. Your sink has to be cleared out. And so I started doing that in March, and I've actually kept it up. That's the one thing I have kept up. I lost track with my decluttering. I fell off, but do the dishes, I was able to keep that up. So it does make a huge difference. I do the dishes now whenever I'm done with something, like right away. And then I don't have a big, huge pile to do. It used to also hurt my back a lot to do the dishes, but I think that's also because I had a big, huge pile, and it would take me an hour, or I don't know, I may be exaggerating, but 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, instead of 5 minutes to do, 2, 3, 5, 10 dishes. So anyway, do your dishes when you're done. Clean up as you go. All right, so that was 2 minutes. So let's see how this one's looking. Oh yeah, I mean, it looks about the same, but yeah, I'm glad I didn't do it longer. So I'm gonna set this side for 2 minutes too. And, oh, I had the fork, but that's the one I use. See, normally I grab the one fork and the one bowl and I wash it, and then by the time I'm done, I use that fork to eat with. You see what I'm saying? But since I can't do the dishes right now, I'm gonna grab a different fork. I was really hoping I wouldn't end up like walking away and like ripping my phone down. So anyway, y'all let me know, how is this view? Can you see better? I hope you can see better, hear better. I wanted to make sure this was open already. There's about a minute left. I'm gonna start adding a little bit. Usually, well, I was gonna say usually I measure this, but let me measure it because I want to correctly calculate. You would really be surprised when you start measuring stuff. You're really surprised at how much you were eating that you shouldn't have been, or that you weren't registering that you're eating. So I'm gonna do half a tablespoon. I might put another half. I'm gonna see how much this is. Let's see. So 1 tablespoon of honey is, where is it? I thought it was on here. It says, oh, there it is. I'm like, it's really small. Yeah, it's 70 calories. That's what I thought. That's a lot of calories, y'all. For this is half, so this would be 35, but look how little that is. So let's put that on. I wonder if I can put half. I think last time I did use a tablespoon, and I was like, I could have done with half a tablespoon. So we're gonna try it with half. So I put a little bit on there, and then I'll save the other for the next one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my stove so I don't forget to do that. And we have pretty pancake number 2. I think it looks pretty on that side. Which side should I put up? I think I'm gonna do this side. Look at that, y'all. It looks so good. What is it gonna taste like? I don't know. Okay. I realized in my other videos, like, I'm so concentrating on what I'm doing and what I'm saying, I don't smile a lot. So I'm trying to smile more. I remember Dana K. White had a video like that, and I thought it was so funny, and now here I am doing it. I'm like, I was looking at my videos trying to find a thumbnail, and I'm like, oh, I didn't smile at all in that video. That's horrible. Okay. You see, I'm trying to get every little drop out because I only get that one. Okay. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna put it down. Ready? Let's see. Okay, let's do it with this. Okay. Yeah, this is scary. I don't know. How long is this video? I can't see. Okay, ready? I'm trying to get every little drop of the honey. I'm scared. Ready? Wow. It's not bad, y'all, for real. It tastes like a little bit dry. So maybe I should have put a little bit more water. Wow, but it's good. Like, I would buy these at a restaurant. It's good. I really like it. Obviously, it's missing like a little bit of sweetness. I like sweet, obviously. I like chocolate. I like sweet. I'm trying to think of what I could add in it. Let me know. Comment below. Is there a pancake emoji? If you made it this far, put a pancake emoji. Or something. I don't know, a sandwich if there's not a pancake. And let me know what you would add to it. I'm thinking maybe add like a little bit of honey to the actual mix. Or maybe a little package of stevia to the mix. Let me know. It was really good, y'all. I'm really excited. Okay, I want to take another bite, but I don't want to be eating on camera. Thank you so much for watching. I'm hot. It's hot in here in this kitchen. That's another reason I don't like being in the kitchen. It's hot. But thank you for watching, and you have a beautifully blessed day.